Today we are going to learn how to measure things in centimeters and millimeters. When you measure, you find the size of something. We can measure how long things are, or how tall, or how far apart they are. Those are all examples of length measurements. Small objects are usually measured in millimeters or centimeters. While big objects are usually measured in meters or kilometers. Millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers are called units of distance. If you take a look at a ruler, you will see lots of tiny lines. The smallest lines are millimeters, and the bigger lines are centimeters. A millimeter is the smallest measurement on a ruler. A millimeter is about as thick as the width of a small black ant. Or the tip of a pencil. Millimeters are commonly used to measure objects that can be held on a finger. They can also be used to measure larger objects that need greater accuracy, such as the thickness of a phone. This screw is 5 millimeters wide. This connector is about 7 millimeters wide. A centimeter is also pretty small. It's approximately the width of your little finger. Centimeters are commonly used to measure objects that are smaller than a ruler. They can also be used to measure larger objects with greater accuracy, such as a person's height. So, centimeters are really good units for measuring objects that we commonly interact with. This rechargeable battery is about 5 centimeters long. This USB flash drive is about 6 centimeters long. How many millimeters are in 1 centimeter? That's right. The answer is 10. There are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. And how many millimeters are in 3 centimeters? Well, since there's exactly 10 millimeters in each centimeter, all we have to do is multiply 3 by 10, and we see that there are 30 millimeters in 3 centimeters. How many centimeters are in 1 millimeter? That's right. There are 0.1 centimeters in 1 millimeter. That means, if you took a centimeter and divided it up into 10 equal parts, each of those parts would be equal to 1 millimeter. How many centimeters are in 40 millimeters? All we have to do is divide 40 by 10. And we see that there are 4 centimeters in 40 millimeters. And? Did you understand everything? Great. Let's look at another example together. How many millimeters are in 0.6 centimeters? You are right. There are 6 millimeters in 0.6 centimeters. How many centimeters are in 20 millimeters? You are right again. There are 2 centimeters in 20 millimeters. How many millimeters are in 1.5 centimeters? That's correct. There are 15 millimeters in 1.5 centimeters. How many millimeters are in 5 centimeters? That's right. There are 50 millimeters in 5 centimeters. How many centimeters are in 45 millimeters? That's right. There are 4.5 centimeters in 45 millimeters. Alright. That is the end of this video. I hope you understood everything, and I see you again in the next video.